Here are 3 free software licenses you can get if you're a college student wanting to break into analytics. Your major doesn't matter, all you need is an active school email account. The first 2 licenses are Tableau Desktop, which as you might know is one of the top data visualization tools out there, and Tableau Prep, which you can use to shape and manipulate data so it can be ready for analysis. So how do you get them? All you need to do is sign up for the Tableau for Students program. It's going to ask you to make an account, and Tableau will ask you some verification questions to make sure you're a student. And after you're done, you'll get an email with a product key for Tableau Desktop, Tableau Prep, access to Tableau's own e-learning platform, and 20% off their Tableau Desktop Specialist exam, which is their entry-level certification. Again, all of this is completely free with your student email account and can get you experience working with these tools before you even graduate. The third free license is Alteryx Designer. It's another great data preparation tool. It's like Tableau Prep on steroids. As a student, you're able to get a 1-year license, which you can renew if you're still a student at the end of the original license. Here, this license with Alteryx is already free training and certifications, and you can have a resume that really stands out when you start looking for that first job or internship. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions and follow me for more data content.